This is a true story. In the 1980s, small towns across America reported the same thing. Silent black helicopters circling at night. They had no lights, no markings. Witnesses said they hovered low, just above houses, rattling windows with a deep hum. Police dismissed it. The military denied involvement. Newspapers called it paranoia. But then, people started vanishing. Families would wake to find loved ones missing, doors still locked from the inside. Declassified files years later revealed something chilling. Entire pages blacked out, but one phrase was left: unmarked aerial extraction. Survivors claimed they heard heavy breathing from above, as if something was waiting inside the machines. And to this day, those helicopters still appear, always silent, always watching. The question is, who's inside?